Okay, so in this video we are going to show you how to do this configuration for MT61GP smart power meter. So this is our small configuration tools. So any customer, if you want to do this configuration of APN or the firmware update, you need to contact with our sales to request for this software. Here, when this one is English, so it is English. Now we are switched to Chinese, and then you will see these are Chinese. And then when you click login, it will be Chinese. But for better explanation, now we switching back to English. Now login. Okay, so this is our device. So here our device is already connected through the RS485 and the USB connects cables with connecting to our computer. So here you see it's already connected, and all these 3 voltage they are 0. Now read address. Check this one. Okay, right away you will read the real voltage data 236. The other two, because this is a single phase device, no volts, so it's 0. Alright, so this is the control. So here you see our device is a switch on now, and the manual instruction. Now let's switch off. Okay, you will also see it's switch off. Now switch on again, and you see instruction on. Now I'm going to do it manually, switch off, and then you will see menu off. It will also recognize this action. Now switch on again. Okay, so manually switch. This picture will also show it. And this is the lock. When it's locked, you cannot switch on manually, and only after it is unlocked, you hear a sound, and then it will be able to switch on. And here you see the status, it is on now. Okay, switch off, switch on. Very simple. So this is the parts for this control, and this is the serials, and then let's see the product. So here the firmware update. Now our device is already 5.45. It is 4.45, and you can browse this our latest firmware. It is here. Okay, 5.52, and then click. Okay, and then press the upgrade. It will update the firmware from 5.45 to 5.52. However, it takes like 8 minutes. I don't want to waste time now. So, but always make sure you should not power off the power supply while it is upgrading. Okay, and then this is the data reset, on off count, and okay, loss power event. So it will be clear the event log, and this is the restore the factory to switch all the configuration to the factory setup. This is the restart to restart the device. So this is the parts for this project, and this is the control. Now we are coming to this configuration. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4 configurations. The first one is a serial configuration, and here we can read and the device address. If we have multiple device connecting with RS485 with one each other, and you can configure device with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then they will read with each other. And this one is the baud rate. You can set up whatever you want. Okay, and the stop bits and the password, and this is the building model and building data. This is tariff. Every day we are separating to 4 tariff from different time. You can configure whatever you want, from sharp, peak, shooter, and off peak. This is a network configuration. For example, this device will deliver to Spain or Uganda or any other Thailand country, and then you have such kind of Telefonica, Vodafone, or whatever operators, and some of them it requires the username or password. So here you can input whatever you want. Alright, and then after you input the correct one and select the correct APN and press right, it will do this configuration. The same as this server configuration, you can also choose the domain. Here you can write, for example, google.com or whatever, and then also press this right. It will do this configuration to change the server. Okay, so it's very simple. This is the reclose configuration. Here you can see we have over voltage, under voltage, phase unbalance, phase loss, over current, overload, and all this data you can change, you can configure whatever you want. This is auto reclose, automatic switch on off reclose and cycle. You can do all this setup. Okay, so this is the control, this is the product, and then this is the configuration we already introduced. Now this is the data. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So electrical parameters, you see the volts, current, power factor, reactive power, and all this phase loss, ABC, and neutral current. Okay, so all this very exactly, and also the temperatures as well. So this is the energy. Here you see, okay, here it comes. This is the way to go, values, and this is the building system. Okay, so here 79. Okay, only when it is finished you are able to see all these details. This is the days frozen. That is as our device, it is a kind of smart power meter, so we have the kind of function of frozen, daily frozen, weekly frozen, and monthly frozen. So make sure this building, this data will not change or lose money for the electricity buildings. So only when it is finished. Now it is finished. So okay, so here you see all this lifetime active frozen. So tariff 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is on off status. So it's already 147, a lot of trip on and off already. So this is a lost power event. Our device is very interesting, and we have super capacitor inside that. Even though the power supply is stopped, it still sends out a signal to our platform to show the device ID and when and what is happened on this device. So you can always notice, and it will also do the buzzing to make noise, to arouse people know that it is already power off. This is the reset power event and on off, okay, events. So you can read all these data. This is the others device ID. So this is IMEI number, and this is the collect power. So anyway, so we can see all these data. Now it is 1.87 amps and 440 watts because we have a heater there. Okay, so this is our fully introduction about our configuration tools. Mainly, we have two functions for our customers: configuration of the APN, and also the where is our configuration of the APN product, and also the firmware update. Okay, the network here. Okay, so here, and also the network firmware update. Okay, thank you.